Kiwi dollar daily forecast March 8th, FXEmpire.com. The Kiwi dollar pair rose a bit during the Wednesday session, but did manage to give back about half of the gains. This forms a shooting star and does look like it is somewhat continuative. However, the 81 handle is just below, and more importantly, the 81 below that. We still think that eventually we will find the support in this pair, and we still like owning the Kiwi as the central banks of the world flood the markets with cheap money. The Kiwi is highly sensitive to the commodity trade, so of course, as commodities go, so does the Kiwi. A break higher of the session's range for the Wednesday session would be a violation of this shooting star and would be very bullish. We would be willing to go long at that point. If we do fall lower below the lows of the session, that is technically a sell signal, but again, we are buy only, as the 80 is not only the site of a massive breakout, but it's also the 50% retrace. We think that we do get our support at 80 if we don't get a breakout and above the shooting star now. So currently we're just sitting here, we're waiting to see which trade we get to take. Going forward, we think that the Kiwi goes much, much higher, and eventually, out in the distant future, parity. But in the meantime, we see that the pair is due for a pullback. It did bounce a little bit from the 38.2, but it just looks like it wants to find the 50.